Listen, before you scroll, before you breathe, before you blink, let me warn you. What I'm about to say might sound crazy, but once you hear it, you'll never look at AI, technology, or even your own job the same way again. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the biggest bubble in the world isn't the housing market, not crypto, not stocks. It's something far bigger, faster, and more dangerous. An AI bubble. A balloon being pumped so aggressively that everyone is celebrating how high it's floating, but nobody is noticing how thin the material has become. And when it pops, the explosion won't just wipe out money, it'll wipe out industries, careers, and even freedom. But here's the real twist. The government knows this, and they're not sounding the alarm. They're quietly preparing for the chaos, while the rest of the world stares at shiny AI tools, smiling like everything is perfectly fine. So today, I'm ripping the curtain away, exposing exactly what the AI bubble is, why it's a real threat to your financial future, how governments are secretly trying to control AI development, and the shocking ways AI is already being used for surveillance, warfare, and silent job elimination. Stay till the end, because once you hear the full truth, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself, your income, and your freedom. The AI bubble starts with hype. Companies claiming they've built the smartest machine ever. Startups raising billions with nothing but a polished pitch deck and a demo that barely works. Investors throwing money like confetti at anyone who says the word. And suddenly everyone believes this technology can solve every problem, from business to health to relationships to world peace. That's when things get dangerous, because every bubble in history starts the same way, the illusion that something can grow forever without limits. But every expert who studies economic history knows the truth. Nothing grows forever. And right now, the value of many AI companies is built on expectations, not reality. So many AI tools can't actually deliver the miracles they promise, and everyone is acting like that doesn't matter. But it does. Because when reality hits, the bubble will burst, and those who relied on AI for their jobs, investments, and businesses will be the first to feel the shock. Now, here's where it gets darker. While AI companies hype up futuristic dreams, governments around the world quietly push for control. They talk about regulation to keep people safe, but behind the scenes, it's a power game. What they really want is to decide who can build AI, who can access it, and who gets locked out. Why? Because controlling AI is like controlling the next global currency. Imagine a world where every major AI model is in the hands of only a few powerful institutions. They decide what information people see, what businesses survive, and what technology gets released. They literally get to shape society without people even noticing. The hidden agenda is simple. They want to slow down private innovation and speed up government-supervised development. They want AI to work for them, not for you. Every new rule they introduce is just another brick in the wall they're building around your digital freedom. And most citizens have no idea it's happening. But while governments are busy controlling the tech giants, the real victims of the AI bubble are everyday people like you. Job loss used to be something we feared in the future, like 20 or 30 years from now. But now, it's already happening. Many companies are replacing employees silently. They don't make announcements, they don't warn anyone. They just stop hiring humans and start subscribing to AI tools that do the same work for a fraction of the cost. Writers, editors, designers, accountants, customer service agents, analysts, jobs that once required humans are disappearing quietly in the background. And the scariest part, most people don't even realize they've been replaced by a line of code. They think the company was just downsizing. No, they were automated. The shift is silent, cold, and efficient. Exactly how a machine would do it. But this bubble has an even bigger, darker layer. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a weapon. Governments and militaries are pouring billions into AI systems that can track movements, analyze behavior, identify faces from miles away, and even predict crimes before they happen. Sounds like a movie, but it's already real. Surveillance towers that never sleep, cameras that recognize you instantly, algorithms that decide how risky you are without ever meeting you. And on the battlefield, AI-powered drones that make decisions in seconds. Machines that can strike faster than any human could react. The line between safety and control is disappearing. The line between defense and domination is fading. And the more AI grows, the harder it becomes for regular people to know what's being used to protect them, and what's being used to watch them. So, where does all of this leave you? You have two options. You can be one of the millions who get blindsided when the bubble pops, or you can prepare. You can learn the skills that AI cannot replace: creativity, leadership, strategy, financial intelligence. You can build income streams that do not depend on one employer. You can understand how technology works instead of fearing it. You can position yourself to ride the wave instead of getting crushed under it. The truth is, AI is not your enemy. Blindness is. Ignorance is. Dependence is. The AI bubble is dangerous not because AI is powerful, but because people are unprepared for what happens when the hype collapses and the truth of automation hits the economy. But you, watching this video right now, already have something millions don't: awareness. So don't panic. Prepare. Don't fear AI. Outsmart it. Don't wait for the government to protect you. Protect yourself. This is the era of financial freedom for those who see the storm before it arrives. Position themselves like winners and refuse to let fear make decisions for them. Because if you understand what's coming, you won't be wiped out. You'll be unstoppable.